Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. In this video, I'll show you how to create a full backup of your Windows 11 computer to an external USB hard drive. This backup saves everything: Windows itself, your apps, your settings, and all your personal files. Today we'll be using the System Image Backup feature. It's an older Windows tool, but it still works really well. This method is perfect if you're upgrading Windows, replacing a hard drive, or just want a safety copy of your entire system. All of your data, settings, and apps are saved to your hard drive, and you can easily restore it anytime you want. Now, let's start the process. First, connect an external hard drive to your PC. Make sure it has enough free space. A full system backup can be quite large. Now, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Go to System and Security, then click on Backup and Restore. On the left side, click Create a System Image. Windows will ask where you want to save the backup. Select your external hard drive. Important thing to remember that you cannot use a USB flash drive, and you cannot save the backup on your main system drive. That would defeat the whole purpose of a backup. Click Next. If your computer has multiple drives, Windows will show them here. In most cases, everything is selected automatically. Just leave it as it is. Before starting, keep this in mind. This backup is not encrypted, so store the external drive in a safe place. Now click Start Backup. Windows will begin creating the system image. This may take some time depending on how much data you have, but you can continue using your PC while the backup runs. Once the backup is finished, Windows may ask you to create a repair disk. You can safely skip this step because you can access recovery options in other ways. Click No. That's it. Your full backup is now complete. Now, after backup, if you open your external USB hard drive, here you will find a new folder as System Image Backup. All of your files, settings, and Windows apps are in this folder. Now, whenever you need this backup, you see and restore it from this hard drive. Now, if you need to restore this backup, for that, I will leave a video link in description. You can watch that for whole process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.